What? Southwest winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Portions of southwest and western Pennsylvania. Portions of northern and the northern panhandle of west. When? From Saturday morning through Saturday evening. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Weather message. What? West winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible.
Yeah, that's a youch.
Where? In Pennsylvania, higher elevations of Fayette, higher elevations of Westmoreland, and higher elevations of Indiana counties. In West Virginia, eastern Preston, eastern Tucker, Preston, ridges of eastern Monongalia and northwestern Preston and western Tucker counties. When? From Saturday morning through late Saturday night. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Portions of southwest and western Pennsylvania. Portions of northern and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday. Winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Here we go.
Where? In Ohio, Belmont, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Ohio, Monroe, Muskingum, and Noble counties. In West Virginia, Hancock County. When? From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Damaged winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the...
All right. I thought we were done. I thought we were done. I thought we were done.
Per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour expected. When? From 8 a.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. Impacts.
Yeah, but they get sent out like 24 hours before, yes. Yeah. Yeah, one got issued for Pittsburgh. Now this is for areas south. Where
How much did you get?
I got a few. Got a few.
Alexa! Alexa! Stop!
In West Virginia, Hancock County. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here are the 7 a.m. Whitewater gauge readings for you.
Really? Really? Really?
Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of southwest and western Pennsylvania. Portions northern and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
I fucking quit! Wow! Wow!
West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Pennsylvania, higher elevations of Fiat, higher elevations of Westmoreland, and higher elevations of Indiana counties. In West Virginia, eastern Preston, eastern Tucker, Preston, ridges of eastern Monongalia and northwestern Preston and western Tucker counties. When? Until 2 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Weather message. For the
Wow. I really fucking quit. Thanks a lot, PDD. Thanks a fucking lot, guys.